Hey, bookkeepers, it's Trudi at Maven. Now, as you know, I'm all for clarity. I believe in goals. I believe in whiteboards, journal prompts, and even the neuroscience behind visualization. But let's be honest, wishing isn't working. If you're not taking action, you're not manifesting, you're just daydreaming in your office with a Canva template and a Pinterest quote. You're visualizing six-figure months, but won't send that follow-up. You're rearranging your sticky notes, but avoiding the pricing overhaul. You're journaling about aligned clients, but you won't post a single offer. Let me say this with love. Your dream is waiting on your discipline. You want to manifest new clients? Awesome. Who did you follow up with this week? Did you send a proposal? Have you told anyone what you actually do? Want to manifest $10,000 months? Perfect. Are your offers built to support that, or are you still charging hourly and crossing your fingers? Want to manifest more freedom? You sure? Then why are you still doing your own bookkeeping, your own client onboarding, and chasing your own payments? Freedom is not a vibe, it's a workflow. At Maven, we're big on clarity and vision, but we're bigger on infrastructure. Because manifestation without systems is like buying seeds and refusing to water them, and then turning around and blaming the dirt for having no harvest. Now, you can light a candle and you can journal things, but if you're not building a pipeline, automating your intake, or fixing your pricing, you're not manifesting. You're spectating your own dream. Here's your Maven move. Pick one thing that you've been manifesting, more clients, more income, more freedom, and ask, what is the visible proof that I'm moving toward that? Not a vision board, not a journal entry, a real action that you took that made progress. Now, go schedule one move that reflects the goal, even if it's a small one, because tiny action beats massive intention every single time. Here's the deal. Manifestation is real, but it's not magic. It's vision plus direction plus movement over and over and over again. You don't need more quotes. You need more traction. You don't need to align with a frequency. You need to align with a workflow. And if you're ready to stop watching and start building, subscribe, drop a comment, tell me that you're done just manifesting and finally ready to take action. Because again, say it with me, manifestation without execution is just hallucination. Let's go build. And if you've got another 4 minutes, let's check out what's next. Hire slow, fire fast. That's a powerful one. I'll see you there.